Welcome to Cheeky Kids Land.
Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I draw a boy and girl swinging in the garden.
Let's start hoo ha ha
Okay,
ha.
so let's start. First I draw a swing, a two straight line, just like a road, and then four curvy D-shaped lines, and then draw a straight line, and then one more straight line. Okay friends, I have done my left side drawing. Now I draw on the right side. I draw same as I draw on the left side. And now I draw the girl, cute baby girl kids. First I draw the hair, then the head, and then the mouth and face. And then I draw two little ponies of kid. And then I draw eyes, and then eyelashes, then nose, and then mouth. And now I draw the hands of the cat. And then now I draw the body of the cat. The kid wearing a frock, and then I draw a shoes. And then I draw a cute heart in the shirt of kid. This is the swing. The kid is sitting on the swing. Wow. Okay, now I draw a boy, a kid boy. First I draw the hair, then two ears, and then the face. This is the hair and the head of the kid. And then I draw eyes, then nose, and then mouth. Then I draw the hands. After drawing the hands, and then I draw a body of the kid. This is a boy kid. This is a shirt, a baby boy. And now I draw the pant or a trouser of a kid. And then I draw a shoes. Okay kids, I almost done my drawing. This is a swing. The kids are swinging on the swing. I draw a heart on the baby kid shirt. Okay friends, I have done my drawing. And now I start coloring. First I take the brown color in the same that I took in the swing. I have done my brown color. Then I start coloring in the hair of the kid. This is the baby girl. The girl here is black. And now I start coloring the shirt. This is the pink color. And this is the sky blue color. This is a red color in the heart. And now the finish, I take the yellow color because I don't have a skin color. This is the green color in the shoes. Go jacket. Now I take the black color again for the hair. And yellow color for the face and sky blue color for the boy shirt. And red color in the car. And now I take the orange color. I almost done my drawing. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And try to draw with me. And darken color in the swing.